Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss how we can use linear function to model real-life situations. So we are going to look at the two questions. The first question, let's check number 1. Frank wants to watch movie Minions: The Rise of Gru with his friends. The price of a ticket is $13.50. Frank wants to practice how to create a linear function. The first question says, can you help him create a function to find the cost of tickets, C of x, in terms of number of tickets? Second one, use your function to find the cost of 12 tickets. And last one is how many tickets does Frank buy if he paid $121.50? So the first one, as you can see, we need to figure out the total cost of the tickets. And we know for each ticket, one ticket is $13.50, which means for the total cost, if we buy one ticket, we just know this is $13.50. Two tickets, we just multiply 2. 3 tickets, we just keep multiplying, which means all we need to do is multiply the number of tickets. So it's going to be this. So as you can see, C of x here, it just represents the total cost. So we prefer to write in this function notation. Next, we are going to use a function to find the cost of 12 tickets. So since now we have 12 tickets, so what we are going to do is we are going to put x as 12, and all we need to do is multiply them together, and the answer will be $100.62. Next, how many tickets does Frank buy if he paid this number? As you can see, since we already know the total price, all we need to do in order to find a number, we just use this, the total cost divided by the unit price, which is $13.50, and you can put this in the calculator. The answer will be 9 tickets. Okay, so that's how we do this one situation. Now let's move on to a little bit situation here. A little bit different situation. Number 4. Nancy wants to rent a bike for working out during the weekend. This is the information she gets. She needs to pay $25 one-time fee and $3 for each hour she rents. So we are going to first create a function, then we're going to work different questions based on the function we have. So we need to find out the total cost she needs to pay for renting the bike. As we know, in order to rent the bike, the one-time fee is no matter what you are going to pay. So this is a one-time fee you need to pay. And then based on the number of hours, she needs to pay $3 for each hour. So all we need to do is $3 times the number of hours she used. So that will be the total cost. As you can see, the little bit different situation is this one, because that's the money she needs to pay at very beginning. Now, we are going to figure out how much does Nancy need to pay if she rents a bike for 6 hours. Keyword 6 hours. So in this situation, h is 6. So all we need to do, plug into h as 6 in this equation. Then this you can write down times or 3 times 6, doesn't matter. All we need to do is do the calculation. So the final answer will be $43. So next, how many hours did Nancy rent if she paid that? So as we know, so the money she needs to pay is always $25 as a one-time fee. Then we know each hour she needs to pay 3. So that's the money we need to pay. Now we don't know how many hours, but we do know this is the structure of this. So we can just solve this equation like this. We minus 25. And 3h will be equals 13.5. So h will be 4.5, which means she rented 4 hours and 30 minutes, 4 and a half. Some students are a little bit confused. Why do we set up equation like this way? If you do not like set up equation like this way, you can also figure out she needs to pay $25 and also something about the hours she needs to pay. So you can take away from 25 from this 38.5, and finally you will get the answer at this one. So really doesn't matter which way you use, as long as you understand the structure, it will be like this. Okay, so this is we just use these 2 questions talking about how to model with real life, how to model with real life situation using linear function. I hope this video helps. And thank you and bye.